In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to open up your Toyota RAV4 key fob to change the internal battery at home. If you're looking at this device and you're saying, hey, mine looks kind of like that, but it only has 3 buttons, do not worry. We have the same device. The only difference is the number of buttons, but how you open it up is exactly the same, and the battery that it takes is exactly the same. So just follow along. There's really no difference. You will need one of these CR 2016 batteries. If you don't know where to get that, or you would like to get one of those online anyway, I will leave a link down in the description for you to get one on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. And the only other thing you will need is a regular flathead screwdriver. So look up here on the where the key ring attaches. You can see there's a little slot in the plastic there. You want to use your flathead to go in there and twist to open it up, but make sure you're holding this so that the back is facing up. The buttons not facing up. So Toyota symbol facing up, buttons down. That's important. I'll show you why in a second. And just insert the flathead in there and give it a twist. You'll feel this kind of click off, and you can remove it. And now carefully remove this little component in there. That's where the battery is. So you can see why we held it this way, because we have the buttons in there, and they will fall right out on you. And if they all fall out, it can kind of be annoying to put back in there. So just set that down, be careful with it, and turn your attention over here. Right up on the top of this little component here, we have a space between this black plastic and this wall of clear plastic. You can use the same flathead screwdriver, or you can also use a coin to just twist in there. Just insert it in and twist, and this will crack open, and you can just pull it apart with your fingers. And we can keep working with the very same tool. We're just going to get under the battery. Put the corner of your tool under the battery up on the top here, and just kind of slide it behind to pop it out. I'll show you that one more time. So just getting behind and then pushing or prying the battery up. This is a CR 2016 battery. Make sure that is what you are using, and make sure the positive side goes face up when you put your new battery in there. So click that in. You can kind of if your little rubber part gets stuck under the battery, just nudge it up with your flathead screwdriver, and you want to see that positive side, that plus sign facing up. Now we can just put it all back together. So click the 2 little pieces here back together. Carefully pick up your key, careful with those buttons, and you can just set this right in there and click the 2 halves back together. That's all it takes. I hope that helped you out. And if it did, feel free to let me know down in the comment section, or just give this video a like so it can find other people and help them too. And if you ever need help changing another battery in any of your key fobs, we have tutorials here on YouTube for pretty much every maker model. And you can also visit us directly at fobbattery.com.